The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall. Yeah, me and some dancers, brothers. Don't make them turn on a fall. Look good out on the eye, open on the eye wide. Like for me, that's why them not like me, because them can't trick me. So them have to hate me, because them can't trick me, them can't go around me. Them can't trick me. Can't trick me. People, most of them on the network right now, no they overseas, no they are Jamaica, so no know what go on. You know, say Monday night, Monday night, me dey uptown Monday. I see the little pussy them a try. Say them a try out for me. Energy kid, me see my little brother, big up yourself, bro. Say them a try out for me like them can lick for me chip. See them a try out for me the best days that I watch them. I come and make be a chat, be a big up, be a this, yeah, big up all some man where you do not like. Some man where him hate like a poison. The little fool a big up. Yeah, big up some man where you don't even like for even see them on them. The youth them in the street. You might big up some youth in the street with a look how you idiot they don't even like for see. You come here big up. True, I try out for me. Eh? Me I try out for. The wrong man I try for. Remember me is a madman, you know. Remember how you working in music. You understand me? How be some boy working in music. Voodoo them I work with. And I try to get the read of the dancer them and I hold on the dancer them. You not help no dancer. Because every youth around here dead for hungry. Actually the youth them around here afraid for talk. To them are work for exposure and hype. That is not even exposure, because exposure, when you give youth exposure, youth will turn stars. Every youth around here from day one, none of them never yet come out as a star yet. Which one of them we can point on and say, yeah, the youth them around the youth there. And him is a star now. No youth around here no star. You dep on corner and call up my name. Pussy you never call up my name. You don't take my in a dancehall, never call my name. Call my name in a dancehall. Because your flame friend them, you dep on corner and call up my name with a talk. When you dep on corner and I call up my name, pum pum. Call up my name in a dancehall. I remember you can't talk nothing for hurt the youth and you can't diss the youth. Worse you can't beat up the youth. You understand me? Yeah. Idiot, they call up my name in the pan corner. They never help no youth. Because you single out the youth them when you're a group, when you're a crew, when you're a squad, when you're a team. If you single out the youth them, nobody don't know them. Eh? Nobody don't know them. Everything me do them follow. Remember, you know? I mean, never follow that. I mean, never follow. I don't even put a crown for me and stop trying to fight me. Because I'm not trying to fight. That's one thing me I beg you for do. Sing about the youth them. DJ about the youth them dancing too. Yeah. That's all me I tell you for do. Now I'm nothing more for say to you. Remember not this me or this you. I just one thing me say. And you against me for that. Sing about the youth them too. And me not stop telling you them, so when a song I play, stand up and a dance. Because it don't make no sense. Because your team, when them say them a dancer, when your song I play, the whole of them out and a dancer. When any other dancer song play, the whole of them stand up like them a bad man, them a gunman, or them a flasser. Una scam cartoon, never scam to everybody dance. Because when on a song play, you don't want the whole of the street for skank to on a song them. So if you do the same for the youth them too. Youths and youth just value on yourself and don't make them chicken and turn in an idiot. You understand me? Because when time for them song I play, the whole of them dance to them song them and them not dance to the youth them song. That don't make no sense. You understand me? Ellie, let's go and sing some more song for the skanker them said with elephant. Yeah. Just keep on do it, elephant man. You understand me? Remember, you know, people, I know what me I chew up on no boy. I never chew no word upon no boy. I never diss no boy. I come on social media and I just come talk a thing. I say, them need to start DJ for the youths them too. You can't just sing dancing song and sing dancing song for you and your team alone. Seeing at one time you're there dancer, you want everybody to dance to your song them. Because if everybody not dance to your song them don't make no sense. You understand me? And the whole of where I dance and the whole of where I come from, dancing. Seeing, and you maybe I do music now, and everybody like it, and everybody work with it. See, when the boy have a bad mind or youth not fight against nobody, because the whole of we are Jamaican, the whole of we are product of dancehall. See, remember in the Bogle set this for the whole of we. See, so at the end of the day, why you have to be selfish? Why you have to live for yourself? What about the youth them where you dance in the street to your music? Them the youth them have hot dance to what everybody like, you know. And what people like and what people like see. Sing some song for the youth them dance them to, man. Eh? John no star. People, is a youth me pre enough, you know. 1 week now, I don't hear Skankers play, you know. 1 week now, I don't hear Elephant Man song playing a dancehall, you know. I wonder what go on, you know. 1 week now, I wonder what go on. And that the song they sing, that song the Elephant Man do, and I call every dancer name. And I give back we dancers a chance. Because nobody else now do it for we. You understand me? Elephant I do it for a reason, because him sister the youth them need to eat some food. Because dancehall can't nice without we skankers. Dancehall can't nice without we. The dancer them, the cheerleader them and the girl them go along with a bag of something that make dancehall nice. When the skanker them dance and we are doing look at your routine them and them thing it make the thing uniform, make dancehall nice, make music nice. And it bust the artist them song, it bust the producer them rhythm, and it make the selector them get bigger. We the dancer. You get what me I say? Seeing? So, I not see why some man are going like say, when them do dancing song, them only can do dancing song for them team alone, and them can't sing for the rest of the youth them in the street. You need, yo, John know you. Remember, you know, as me I say, you know, people, me in a business, but a man want say, or a man want do, a man do them one thing of him, one thing that, but as me I say, you do this for dancehall, and you do this for the youth them in the street. You will sing for the bumbuckler youth them in the bumbuckler street then. Since that you say you do. DJ for the dancer them in the street. DJ for the dancer them. You get what me I say? Well, go on, bro, hold on there. You have a DJ for the dancer them in the street, or you have a DJ for your bumbuckler team alone. I wanna check the fact, the real fact out of this. Are you alone a bumbuckler eat? No youth in your team now eat nothing neither. You have a youth them as slave. A slave you have a bumbuckler youth them as. You see what me I say? Because we see the youth them at night time and we know say nothing not really go on. Because we're not blind. We see it. A slave, you're a slave. Slave about the youth them. And then one time we see it happen. Several times we see it happen. A different set of youths we see come around you and them have to run away. Want to run away foreign, sit down around our yard right now dead for hungry. And I tell her that none of them not come out as superstar. None of them not come out as star. The whole of the youth them right now, the whole of the youth them from day one until now, what we see, they run some boy. We see, the youth them have to sit down. Who not sit down at their yard, go and find a little 9-to-5 job. Who not find a 9-to-5 job, them get a little chance, a girl maybe file for a little visa for them go to Canada, America or somewhere, and the youth them have to run off. The youth them have to run off. You see what me I say? Because guess what? Are you alone and eat and the youth them not eat? So I know what you talk about. You sing for the youth them. Give the youth them a chance and them can go make some money. Give the youth them a chance. You see what me I say? Yeah. That's all me have to say. I don't talk. All me have to tell you, youths and you just value yourself and do and not do. Because you don't have no family to feed. You don't have kids in them to feed. Believe in yourself! Joke me I make. Don't know, have the kids them to feed and the youth them to stop look on dancing thing like say. You love dancing more than anything else. You love dancing more than a life. You love dancing more than a family. You not going like you love dancing more than a food. You have to eat to give you health and strength. Remember, it's a job, youths. It's a job. See, you have to look upon it as a job. Because the artists them not just sing because them love music alone. Them look upon it as a job. That's why them can drive Benz and Beamer and build big house and big mansion and build up places. Build up apartments so them can sit down and collect money a month time. Them can make open car mart. Them can open a business place because them look for music as a business. So youths and youths look for bumbuckler dancing as a business too. and tap make the pussy them trick on and them sit down and build up them account and while one of they are dead for you know long some dance and I give them mother a little piece of change. You know some of them dancer youth and I know wish you could look for mama and say mama so $150,000 because I do one show last week. And me get that thing and me whatever, when you can look on a local cousin them and give them 120,000 or 130,000. When you can buy some nice things for give the kids them. Youths and youths, don't make the pussy them trick on open on the eye wide and see what I go on and stand up on the foot, no feet firm. And make some boy know say, you can't program me a bumbo clot. I saw no need to tell some pussy say them can't program. You know. Remember that little E that they way from Ronald Linda's road, they run up and down, you know. From when him run up and down like him a big clown, you know. And I one big up him get, you know. And him give in, see me? One big up. The man does give him one big up and him give in. Through the pussy them I get weak. Them can't friend me, them can't trick me. And them can't style me, because I'm a superstar just like you to pussy. I can tell you this to your face. International blood clot superstar. Even bigger than you. But you know, we don't run down them things, we don't run down hype on them something. We just keep it real for dancehall, because we do this for the youths them, the generation them. You know, so me look at that as start dance already. I want she come up, come be a dancer where if she have say she have a bit dance, like her mother and her father, she can sit down and see what she a dancer. She can know say yo, she go dance for 3 months and the 3 months she can buy one nice Mercedes truck and she can open a business place. And that's how we are look towards dancing for reach. But if dancing keep on going like out they go on now, it not going to reach to the levels there. Because you have some pussy that move selfish in the game and going like a them alone for eat and the rest of you them for dead for hungry. We need voicemail them to come sing some real song again. We need RDX them to come sing some real song again for dance them. See Elephant Man start do it there again. We need that to happen again. Beanie Man, get up off of your bumbuckler too and come sing some song again, the king. Because Beanie Man used to do it for we. Beanie Man why you come do it for we again. You understand my respect. Sorry for use my profanity while I talk about the elder because you don't know Beanie Man a legend. Icon. The man they set it for we. See it? But Beanie Man why you come sing some song for we again because you sing enough nice dancing song. Elephant Man, enough respect again. You start do it for we again. Long time, me dey on a flight and see a dancer next to me. I be an artist, me I see. And one time when we dey on plane, an artist dey on plane, a whole heap of we as dancers dey on plane with a whole heap of artists. And I know enough of the artists them go to say to themselves and say, yo, you know, say a long time I see all. Me I do no show with no dancers. Artists, I lie me I tell, ask the artists them if I lie me I tell. A long time we don't see we on a book for no place like down Orlando, down at Tampa, down at Miami, down at Fort Lauderdale, up at Queens, Brooklyn, Bronx, Long Island, some place, Connecticut, Toronto, England, and them places. I know a long time the artists them no do no show with no dancers. A long time. Long time the artists them go to say boom buckler. You know so one time me all up on a show and me look me say boom, me say Marvin there so, me say Sadiq there so, me say Kiva, me say some you know samples. You get what me I say? Me know a long time the artists them not see them thing they are go on because guess what? The pussy them a move selfish in the game. And I like one time Elephant Man and them used to sing song but everybody dance them. Look when the youth them a whole heap of dance youth them having on the street, you know. You notice at night time I go out, every youth, every song we play, I do the youth them dance and show the love and the respect and the joy. But me can't help the youth them. Me alone can't help them. You see what me I say? Me alone can't help them. Me only can try speak for them because guess what? Them are going like them dumb. And the youth them maybe not want to talk because the youth them go there and say, yo, you don't know, you're a young dance and we not depend levels where some man depend figure say certain things because some selector boy and give the youth them the bumbuckler mic to make the youth them talk to. And that's why I'm glad I'm ignorant and cross and mad, you know, and miserable, you know, them can't tell me a blood clot, you know, when I go dance and I feel like take the mic and talk anything I want to talk. I just talk because I'm not talk fuckery. I'm not talk foolishness, I talk fuck. I talk the truth, I talk what go on. You see what I say? I just more well my mother take me, I just take my mic and take the mic and just start talk some things. You see what I say? But enough youths out there want to speak, but I show the youth them not feel like the youth them just don't want get them not want some selector boy and want big up the youth them again, and I want to show the youth them respect again. That's why you see more while the youth them just stay so and hold it. You know much youth me I got dance, I go sit stand up in a corner from where they non-dance. You know why the youth them stand up and non-dance? Because what the game selfish now. The youth them not getting a chance. I remember dancing money not big, you know, people. Remember dancing money not bumper clot big, it little. So the little what we forget, we need it. We bumper clot need it because we have kids to feed and we have clothes to put on our back. And shoes for our foot too. And try to help mama and help papa say the way. And try to buy land and house and build and get business out of this stuff. You see what me I say? Because dancing money not big. Or a little piece of money. And I like the recording artists where artists I get money off of iTunes. And them I get money off of them Viva account. And them I get money off of show. Plus them I get money off of publishing. And all of them something there. Dancing money small. See? And music can't nice without dancers. We have it there. We have it there in a dancer. If you make dancing, make music nice. Because if everybody's doing a dance, everybody stays up. And turn up and fold them bumper clock. And one thing I go happen. The party I go boring. The woman them I go and guard them yard. The people them come spend their money. Them now go and spend their money. Because them say, yo, the party are boring. Skankers have it there in the street. We have it there in a dance hall. I dance, I go along with myself. To make the party nice. To keep the energy, to keep the vibes. You see what me I say? But guess what? The youth them can't do it if them not have money to buy blood clot, deodorant, cologne, body wash, clothes, boot, money to put in them belly so them can't have the energy to dance. You see what me I say? If them can't buy food to put in them stomach so them can dance, it's not gonna happen. The engine gonna keep on a pump till it broke down. The engine a go broke down. If no gas and no blood clot, I'll know in the engine a go pop down. So guess what? Me a beg you now. Tell the boy they DJ some song for the youth them. Remember me and him not chat, me and him not deal, you know, so me can't tell him that, you know. And me not call the boy name on a social network. Because on the vibes me a build. Me not build war. Me not build strive. Me just talk the truth. Brother, you need to DJ for the youth them. Sing some song for the dancer them too. You understand me? The world will build up around you alone. Is what I say. Music never stop at your foot. Remember, I help you get to. Remember, you was a dancer. Tony Mataran, bring your road. Seeing Tony Mataran, see how they do your thing and try to give you a breakthrough. Vice mail them, give you collaboration. Elephant Man give you collaboration. I help you get. And them was the star and never you. Seeing, and you work your way in. You fight for what you want. And you're there. And I do it, but guess what? You have to help some youth to help you get to. You never wake up as a star. That's why I there talk for the youth them, because I never wake up out of my mother. Crutches as a star. I born out of my mother and just know say yo, me have potential to go for what I want. I'm go there, I'm going to fight for what I want. Seeing, I'm going to get help, said we selector help. Big me up and all of this and all of that to put me out there, and artists do song about me. I'm dancing to put me out there. So guess what? Do the same for the youth them. Remember, you will not build up around you alone. Give the youth them a chance. You see what I say? Give the youth them a chance. Yeah. Remember, Bogle set it for all away. Bogle show the whole of love and respect. Bogle never listen on away as youth, as cankers in the street. When Bogle was alive, when Bogle see we at night time, I be a love, be a joy. See?
Viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And the person that I just see in the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, the person is known as Marvin the Beast. No, and Marvin the Beast is talking about some things on social media, and you know, this video that shows up Marvin the Beast that went on social media and said some things, you know, persons on social media are saying that Marvin the Beast is disrespecting a artist and dancer that is known as Ding Dong. You see me? Now, once me hear that, or once I saw that on social media, I'm saying to myself, is it true? Right? Is it really true? And if it is true that Marvin the Beast is disrespecting or talking about Ding Dong, I'm asking the question, why? You see me? So viewers and subscribers, I take a look at the video, you know, and I understand certain things, you see me? Now, Marvin the Beast said some things in the viewers and subscribers, and some of the things that Marvin the Beast says, you see me, I find them to be fact. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, fact. And I'm going to explain to you. Now, I'm not even talking about Marvin the Beast talking about ding dong or disrespecting ding dong or whosoever Marvin the Beast is talking about. You know, I'm not even talking about that has been said on social media. What I am talking about, to be a fact, is about you know, some of the young dancers or what, you know, some of the young dancers, as him said, it's like he's saying that they are not getting the exposure based on how I understand as to what he's saying. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, when him says something like that, I can relate to that. You see me? But not as a dancer, but as a person that had been a DJ over the years and a person will know what it is with the music game and all these things. You see me? So he's talking about it on a level of dancers or so forth. You see me? But I'm talking to it as a level overall. You see me? Because I am a producer. You see me? And I'm a DJ. You see me? I've produced, you know, I've produced gospel artists. I've produced rappers. You see me? I talk some real good music. You see me? Not because I hear me say real good music, you know, you're going to listen to it and say, "Chuck, it's crap." I'm talking about music that is ready for the road every time. You understand me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you see me? We just want to point out that part they say when Marvin the Beast talk about the exposure and some of the youth them need exposure because they need to eat a food and them thing. Then I find that to be a fact. You see me? Yeah, I find that to be a real thing. I find it to be a truth, and I can relate with what him said to that. You see me? And persons out there, you know, where hear something like this might can relate with what he's saying. You see me? But I want to make a point of viewers and subscribers. You see, this world is an ever-changing world, you know. You see me? So sharing with others might benefit you in the long run. You see me? Because this minute you're the man and you're making money this minute, you see me? But you didn't share. But in the long run, when things change, you might not be the man anymore. And then the person that wasn't the man is the man because his talent fits the time that the world had changed into. Like for instance now, and let me tell you this. For now, everybody go to dancehall and party and them, you know, hold them vibes and so forth. You see me? Yeah, and you know, I remember now music I come from record to, you know, record and cassette and record, I would say, and CD till it reached thumb drive. Right now it come like I just pure memory and streaming me see it reach. You see me? Because I can't remember when last me use a thumb drive, to be honest. I'm telling you the truth. You see me? I say, and now me here where people have this thing what they call name Bluetooth party. And when we got the party now also, you know, you hear a little music, but the music low. But everybody have the Bluetooth in their ears, and you hear some people will sing out some of the time. And so I said to myself, but this is not normal. And then now, viewers and subscribers, you have this thing where I believe that this thing really and truly is going to evolve in a point where persons are going to use this thing to party. And this thing what I'm talking about is something where they put over them face. And I'm saying to myself, what if them bring out that now and say, yo, virtual reality becomes something where normal, and persons out there will say, yo, 50 million people there at a party, and when they take a stock, 50 million people did there at the party, but they were on the party online and they were using some virtual reality thing. You see me? So everybody was at the party, but nobody will leave them home. Them there at the party online. You see me? So this world ever changing, you know, and you know what I mean? So yeah, the point that I'm saying to you, you know, share the glory, you know, don't be selfish and them things. You see me? And Marvin the Beast made some points where we really and truly find them points that will be truth. You understand? And again, I'm saying I am not talking about the issue with him and whoever he's talking about, but I'm talking about the part where he's saying that, you know, enough of the youth them you know, them needs, you know, them want food to eat, or the youth them forget food to eat or something like that. And when he say food, it mean money and them things. You see me? I just believe it now, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about this video, you know, that shows up Marvin the Beast. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.